Hi team, just putting together a brief video that'll show you how to navigate through your back office, also where to go to set up the installation process for your Void Party box, and some other relevant information. I'm going to start off with showing you how to sign into your back office. You can go to your replicated website, or you can go to regular voidparty.com, and up here on the right hand corner you're going to click on back office. Once you're here, you're going to see your sign-in information here. It's going to ask you for your username, which is going to be, depending on when you got into Void Party, it could be a VIP. If you're a VIP, it's going to be VIP and then your 4-digit number, or it might be IM, independent member, IM, and then your 4-digit number, and then your password. Your password actually was changed by the company when they re-uploaded the new back office. So if you don't know if you don't have your new password, or if you try this and it doesn't work, make sure you go to this box to the right, put your email address in here, and then send that off to corporate, and they will immediately send you back an email with your new password. Once you've got your new password, you're going to type it in, and you're going to click login, and you are now going to be in your back office. The first thing that you want to do is you want to actually go into My Account, and I'm going to show you how to set a new password that you'll always remember, and save that. You're going to go under My Account, and you're going to click down to Modify Password. Once you're here, you're going to put whatever the password was that they gave you, that they sent you through the email just now. You're going to put that in this box here, and then you're going to put your new password, something that you remember, that you use all the time, in this box, and then confirm it by clicking it here. Putting in here. Then you're going to click change password, and it should say your new password is confirmed. You'll be good to go, or something of that wording. From there, and I'm going through this kind of quickly, you can always rewind, but I have to keep this under 10 minutes, this video, so we can have it up on YouTube. Anything over 10 minutes you can't put up, so I'm going to just keep trucking on here, folks. So right now, we're going to now also show you, under My Account, you're going to now go to Modify Site ID. Now your site ID is the first part of your replicated website URL, or domain name. Right now you can enter the corporate site by going to voidparty.com, but when you signed up for voidparty.com you actually got your own replicated website. Right now it's probably VIP and your 4-digit number .voidparty.com, and that would show up right here where it says current site ID. Mine I changed to true, T-R-U-E, because I have another website that utilizes that word. And so what I do is you can come down here where it says new site ID, click in the box, and then type in whatever you want it to be. It could be brian.voidparty.com or Adam. You don't put the .voidparty.com part in, just put the one word that you want to be related to your website. Once you do that, you click change site ID. And if it's not a word that's already been taken by another Void Party member, then it'll say your change has gone through. If it's been taken by someone else, then it'll say pick another name because this one has already been taken. So once you're done with that, now you've got your own replicated website with your specific name there. Make sure you write that down so you don't forget, and that's where you're going to send people to sign up for Void Party opportunity. Alright, so from there, we're going to go back up into My Account, and we're going to come down one more time under My Profile, and there's a few things that we need to look at. Where it says Account Snapshot here, you're going to click on Edit, and that's going to show you all of the input boxes here under your account. So it'll say name, address, email address, all that stuff. Really important where it says here, it says dedicated phone line number. That's the number that you use, whether it be your home line or your business line, that you've dedicated just for the Void Party box. It's very important to make sure that you have the right number in here. If it's not in here, then you're not going to be creating revenue through your Void Party box. So make sure that this is on. Make sure that this is the correct number typed in here. And then the next thing you want to look at is a box down here that says marketing information. So down here where it says marketing information, you've got a box to the right. This box is where you want to put your name, email address, and phone number to make sure that it shows up on your replicated site's contact info, and I'll show you in a second. But basically you're going to put your first and last name here, and then you're going to put a less than sign, then a lowercase b and an r, and then a greater than sign. That just means line break. That's just HTML code. It's very simple. Don't get confused with it. Just copy it exactly like I'm doing here. Put your own information in there. So you're going to put your name, a line break symbols here. Then you're going to put your email address, the line break symbols again, and then your phone number. If you prefer not to have people contact you by phone number, you don't have to put that in. But it's a lot easier having a phone number if you really want to build this business. It's better to have people contact you so they can ask you some questions. The last thing I want you to do is look at this very last box at the bottom. It says, does your dedicated line require 10-digit dialing? Very simply, if you were to call your next door neighbor with your home phone number, would you have to dial 10 digits? Would you have to dial the area code, or just 7 digits? If you do have to dial all 10, which some areas require, then you want to put a yes in this box right here. If you don't have to dial 10, if you just dial 3-4 numbers, or 7 total, to call your neighbor, then that's basically going to be, the answer is going to be no, you don't have to dial 10. So make sure you check that. Once you're done, click Save here at the bottom, or click Save here at the top, and then we're going to move on to the next spot. The next spot is going to show us, very quickly, we're going to go into, click Home, and then from here you've got Tech Support. This is very important. By the way, when you click on that Home button up here, this is going to bring you to your home page, your back office. Make sure you read this, some good information here. You want to then click on to Tech Support. Tech Support is going to show you how to set up your box. So if you haven't set up your VoIP Party box, again, you're not generating any revenue that way, and you want to make sure you set it up and then show your people how to set their boxes up too by sending them the same video. Here, if you've got a DSL modem, here's a document that tells you how to set up your box with your DSL modem, or a movie. If you have a cable modem, there's a document you can print out and read to go through the instructions, or a movie. So make sure you go here to this place in the back office under Home, all the way down to the bottom under Tech Support. Very important. Some other features that are in here, you've got an FAQ section, which is good to read. Your email archive section. You'll get an email every time from corporate they send an update, but for some reason, if you're not getting them, or if you've been, if they're going to spam box, you can always look at any emails you might not have gotten from corporate. They'll be archived back here. Also, the current network map. This is a network map of all the boxes that are turned on, or that are actually have been shipped out and received all across the U.S. and Canada. Eventually, very soon, they're going to have an interactive map. You can actually zoom in and see, is your box turned on, is your people and your downline's box turned on. It'll give a light that'll show you whether it's on, activated, or just received. So that's kind of important too. You want to make sure that your downline has all their boxes turned on as well. Lastly, we're going to go into a button here called Sales Support. Now this is really great. The sales team at VoIPParty.com has arranged so that if you've got someone in your downline, or I'm sorry, someone that's a prospect, and they just are sitting on the fence about things, and they maybe they need a little bit more of a corporate sales pitch to get them over and sign them up, you can actually go to your underneath Home in your back office. You're going to click down here under Sales Support, and it'll bring up this form. Put your prospect's name, email address, phone, and then your VoIP Party number here, your membership number here, and then any other little details here. Click Submit, and it'll send it to corporate, and their sales team will actually contact that prospect for you, and they will close the deal for you. Instead of getting the $40 sign-up bonus, you will split that commission with them. So it's $20 to you, $20 to corporate. And pretty excellent way to get somebody signed up without having to get real frustrated with not understanding why they won't. So anyway, fantastic stuff coming. There's some more things that are coming too. Under my website, you can click and view your statistics. Down here, how many unique people visited your replicated website today. Here it is. And also, underneath Marketing Toolbox, they will be starting to put some other tools in here, so you'll have classified ads and banners and things of that nature. Make sure you check out the Downline Builder PDF that I've sent to everybody, or file that I've sent to everybody. If you haven't gotten that, it tells you how to build your downline quickly and successfully. And if you have any questions or haven't gotten that, you can send me an email at info@truevoipparty.com, or give me a ring and we'll get you hooked up. So I hope that helps, and I'll speak with you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.